Hello, cat dear.
Mrs. Hillman, is Phil here?
No, he hasn't got back yet from school.
I didn't see him at school. He was supposed to pick me up at 4. I waited.
Well, I don't know what he's up to. Would you like to come in for a while?
No. Then can you just...
You hear that? It's quiet. It's quiet before it snows. It's gonna snow.
Tell Phil to call me when he gets back. Hey, you're home already? Dad? What's up?
You haven't seen your mother, have you?
Isn't she here?
She's disappeared.
What? Disappeared? Her station wagon's parked right in front of the garage. Did you call her cell?
I just got the machine.
Come on, she probably just went to the store.
No, without her car, in this weather.
Well, that's just it. Maybe she can't get back because of the weather. She'll call. Maybe she's next door at the Carols of the Liftbacks.
I called everywhere in the neighborhood.
Okay. Don't worry, she's got to be somewhere.
Hi.
Hi.
Where you been? You came out of nowhere.
The bus dropped me off over there on the other side of the road. I remembered about your training program in this mill.
You look funny.
You know what your mother told that detective? That my mom had a boyfriend? Where did she come up with that? And besides, what business is it of hers? Your mom should really stay out of things.
She said that? I didn't know.
Phil, is there something you've been keeping from me about my mother?
What, do you have any news? I mean, did you talk to her? What? What is it?
Go on. Say it now. What do you know?
What? What do I know? About what?
About my mother. About you. God damn it, Phil! Isn't there something you forgot to tell me this entire time? About my mother and you? Phil! Answer me, asshole! Nice little secret you've been keeping from me, you piece of shit.
Yeah, you don't know what you're talking about. Cat, come on! Come on, there's nothing that way. Cat, wait, Jesus, will you come back here? There's something you should know, Cat. Your father knows perfectly well where your mother is. You hear me? Yeah, he's the one who made her leave. He threw her out, see? He's the one who kept her from giving you any news. Maybe he even hid letters from you. He's keeping her up his sleeve.
What does that mean? Why would he do that, huh? How do you know all that? How do you know all of that?
Ask me. If you want to find out, go ask your dad.
Fuck, you make me sick! Damn it, how could you?
I'm through in 2 hours. I'll take you home, Cat, if you want.